Hi everybody, today we're working on a 2005 Honda Accord with a V6. Customer's concern is some oil spouting on a carpet in the driveway, I mean inside of her garage. And then the power steering is making a whining sound. Also they've had to replace the battery several times. And then she's driving around, a bunch of lights will come on the dashboard, and they'll go back off again. And then when she gets the gas, the whole motor, you can hear this whoomp, whoomp, like it's lifting up and down. She's a loud bang. So we'll start off with the charging part first. These are supposed to run anywhere from 13 volts to 14.5 volts, and now we got 17.93 volts. It started out at 14.5 when I first started it, and I let it run for 10 minutes, and now it's been climbing. And this shows the waveform pattern for the alternator, and it shouldn't be jumping around quite that much, but it's supposed to have like little half humps all the way across it. And see how it has those glitches and dropouts? So there's a problem going on inside there, internally inside the alternator, where it's putting out too much voltage. Now we're back down to 1477, which is okay. Like 13.5 to 15 maybe. But when we got to 18, 19, so you gotta let them run for a while and watch what's going on. Oh, and I just noticed this boot here, this air intake boot, is broken. And that's because of the motor mount with the problem. Okay, that solves that problem. Now, the way you test the front motor mount is you put it in drive and have your foot on the brake, and then you give it some gas, and the motor should just move a little bit. You know, it's okay if you have it flex a little bit, and then watch what happens on this one. So you can see by that pretty clearly that front center mount is totally broken. And so that's just a way you can test it and verify things, what's going on with it. The oil is just some spotting. It's 2005 and it's got 85,000 miles on it. It doesn't get driven a lot. So a couple of little spots of oil on the bottom we're not going to worry about. The seal ring on the drain plug, someone's over tightening it. That could be a little bit of the problem. But we're not going to lose a lot of sleep over that. The power steering whining, you can hear it's not that loud right now. But someone's filled the reservoir all the way to the very top because they didn't know where the fuel line is, and the fluid's very dark. So we'll put new fluid in that, we'll put an alternator on it, and we'll put a front center motor mount on it, and that'll get the car stable again for the amount of driving she does. Thank you very much everybody, have a great day.